Green future, protecting our planet, preserving our future. Our planet is at a tipping point, but there is hope on the horizon. Introducing Green Future, an advocacy dedicated to protecting our planet and preserving our future. Socioeconomic inequalities further compose environmental issues, as marginalized populations often suffer the main part of environmental hazard and lack to access to clean air, water, and green spaces. Lack on environmental education and awareness continue unsustainable behaviors and attitudes. Step in solving environmental problems. First, promoting awareness and education about environmental issues is crucial. Green future is about more than just saving trees. It's about safeguarding the very essence of life for future generations. Individuals can also contribute by adopting eco-friendly habits, reducing waste, recycling, and advocating for sustainable solutions in their communities and beyond. Join us in our mission is to protect our planet and preserve our future. Together, we can create a greener, more sustainable world for generations to come.